Vivo V17 Pro is the upcoming new V series smartphone from Vivo. The Vivo V17 Pro will sport a dual pop-up selfie camera, triple rear camera setup, Snapdragon 730 chipset, and an in-display fingerprint sensor. The Vivo V17 Pro is expected to compete with recently launched smartphones, the Redmi K20 and Realme X. Now let's check out the full specifications, price and launch date. Let's get started. Chinese smartphone maker Vivo is expected to soon announce a new smartphone, dubbed as the V17 Pro in India. The trend began with the Vivo Nex, the world's first smartphone to feature pop-up selfie camera. Now, the same company is all set to grab the headlines by launching the world's first dual pop-up camera phone. The first smartphone in the country to feature a dual pop-up camera setup. The Vivo V17 Pro will surely come with more upgraded features than its predecessor. Coming to the Vivo V17 Pro features. The Vivo V17 Pro is expected to 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display with the resolution of 1080 by 2460 pixels. On the front, the phone will feature an in-display fingerprint sensor. The device will run on the operating system of Android 9.0 Pie with FunTouch OS 9 on top. It will be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 730 octa-core processor with Adreno 618 GPU. The phone will be coupled up to 8GB of RAM with 128GB storage, and there will also be a dedicated microSD card slot, where the storage can be expandable up to 256GB. Following, the Vivo V17 Pro will come with a triple rear camera setup. The primary camera of 64 megapixel with the wide-angle lens and f1.7 aperture. The secondary camera of 13 megapixel with an ultra-wide-angle lens, and lastly the 2 megapixel depth sensor camera. There will also come with a LED flash and will support 4K video recording. On the front, there will be a 32 megapixel plus 8 megapixel dual pop-up selfie camera and AI face unlock technology. The Vivo V17 Pro will be boosted with massive 5000 mAh battery. We expect it to come with the latest 22 watts fast charging support, and Type-C USB port. The expected connectivity option that will include such as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5, a GPS, NFC, and 3.5mm headphone jack. Vivo V17 Pro price and launch date. The expected price and are not the official price details. The 6GB RAM model could be priced at 18,000 rupees. So we can expect the Vivo V17 Pro will be launched in the month of September 2019. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and more importantly press the bell icon.